Let's say calculate center of mass of a disk. This is one disk. Let's say radius of this disk r. So if we see disk is a collection of a ring of a different radius. Disk is a collection of a ring of a different radius. Means various radius ring we place together, we can form one disk. So I select one ring over here, and radius of a ring I am taking is small r. This distance I am taking is small r, and this thickness of this ring I am taking dr. Now it's a continuous mass distribution, so we have to use integration. We have one formula for this one. YCM is equal to integration ydm divided by integration dm. Now I have to replace this y and dm in this formula, integrate, then I'll find out center of mass of a disk. Center of mass of a ring is 2r by pi. In previous video I have done derivation for that. Center of mass of a ring, that will be 2r by pi. Now what will be dm? dm is equal to mass divided by total area. We can say this thing is area density multiply by area of this ring. So area of this ring will be pi r dr. How area of this ring will be pi r dr? If I cut this strip and make it straight, it will be rectangle. And it's a semicircle, so this length will be pi r, because total length of a circle will be 2 pi r. So this length will be pi r, and this thickness dr. So what's the area of this one? Pi r dr. Area density multiplied by area is equal to mass. So this thing is area density multiplied by area of this strip is equal to mass of this strip. So this will be dm. So dm, if I calculate, I'll get 2m divided by pi r square into pi r dr. Pi and pi get cancelled. I'll get 2m divided by r square r dr. In place of dm, I'll write this value where? In this formula. In place of y, I'll write this value where? In this formula. So if I put this value in this formula, in place of y, this value, in place of dm, this one, what I'll get? Y is equal to YCM is equal to two m by r square into r dr into 2r by pi divided by 2m by r square into r dr. Thus in this formula, in place of y, I am writing this value. In place of dm, this dm, I am writing this value. So whatever thing will be constant, I'll take it outside of this integration, get cancelled. So 2m by r square and 2m by r square, this 2m by r square and this 2m by r square is a constant, so it get cancelled. So I'll get YCM is equal to 2 r square dr, and this pi also I'll take outside, integration r dr. If I integrate this one, I'll get 2 by pi as it is. Integration of this one will be r cube by 3. And what will be limit of integration? I can select this ring over here, limiting case. Radius will be 0. Or else I can select ring over here. So radius will be capital R. So what will be limit of integration? 0 to capital R. And capital R is radius of that disk. Now 0 to capital R, and this one r square by 2, 0 to capital R. When I put this limit, I'll get YCM is equal to 2 by pi r cube by 3 divided by r square by 2. So if I solve this one, I'll get 4r by 3 pi. So axiom of this disk will be 0. Why? Because it's a symmetrical about x-axis. And YCM of this disk will be 4r by 3 pi. This pi will be here. So this is center of mass of a disk.